If you have projects, try to finish them early so that you will have more time to dedicate towards your final exams. Don't just go over the material once. This is not enough. The more reviews you get, the higher grade you're gonna get. Actually, it is exponentially increasing your probabilities of getting a higher grade. Do not just go there to learn new material. Read the material ahead of time, and when you go there, ask questions or solve the unsolved problems. Finally, sleep very well the night before. Do not leave any material for the last night. Get a good night's sleep and then take the exam and relax. That's all. You did your best and then you wait for the result.